Hi, Munch. Say good morning. That works. Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, you got something in your eye, Munchie. Oh, you made me move it to the other eye, silly. Oh, oh, I know. Did Mommy have her birthday yesterday? Yeah? Yeah? You helped Mommy open presents? Did you? You gotta tell Mima all about it. Tell her. Tell Mima. You're snorting. Yeah? Tell Mima. Tell Mima what we did yesterday. You looking at the fan? You looking at the fan? Oh, you're gonna pew. So we just had cereal, so there might be a little pew. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. I got. You want the camera? You can't eat it, Pepe. Let go of Mommy's hand. There you go. No, that's a big yawn, baby. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. What? Oh, Johnny, don't jam your toes in your mouth. Goofball? Goofy? You have gone crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Crazy. Don't jam those toes in there. Okay. Say bye-bye.